Juan.
Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. This is Dave down here from the Nirvana Outpost again. Man, we got a lot to cover today, actually. We got a lot of stuff to show you, a lot of stuff to talk about. Actually, the only event coming up is this Saturday is the holiday parade. It's the Christmas parade downtown. We're open till 8 o'clock. Come down, enjoy the parade. After the parade, stop in and see us. Stop in and see us before the parade starts. We'll be here and full of cheer.
Oh, yeah.
So, also, thanks for everyone who showed up to the last PJ Book Night. That was a really nice, good, successful turnout. And also, Neighborhood Toy Store Day was a good success, a huge success. Thanks for everyone who came down, made putty with me. That was fun. I had a great time.
I got some.
Even David came down and took a break, came down and made his own putty. That one actually glows in the dark, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And we hope everyone came down on Monday to enjoy the Veterans Day Parade downtown Chambersburg. The turnout was really nice, and thank you guys so much for everything that you do for us. Now what?
I don't know.
Let's talk about Santa.
Oh yeah, Santa.
Oh, the Santa. We're gonna keep this going for a little bit longer. We had kids come in and write their letters to Santa, put it in there. It needs to happen. It needs to keep going. So we're going to continue doing it because it's fun. I mean, what a cool mailbox. What a cool thing to see kids go back there and write their letters to Santa.
Santa will write back.
And Santa writes back.
And yes, Santa does write back. So put your name and address on the bottom of the letter, and Santa will write back. Also, the Toys for Tots box is still up. That goes to December 23rd. So bring your new and unwrapped toys, donate, and so yeah, that's going on. And
oh yeah. Did you talk about the Advent calendar?
The Advent calendar. Well, let's just jump right into what we got new.
All right.
We got, apparently Melissa and Doug decided to blow up on us. And our store is just like full of new Melissa and Doug stuff, starting with the Melissa and Doug Countdown to Christmas Advent calendar. This is really nice. We have one at the house. Mm-hmm. Kids love it. So that's new. You want to just put that down the line. We're going to have an assembly line. This is so fun. Look at all the colors. So it's a new plush from Melissa and Doug. A big old caterpillar.
Awesome. I like it a lot. That's awesome.
I mean, I want one back in my desk, but you know, we have to try to sell it.
Oh yeah.
Also, we have a smaller version of the pizza oven. So we have the pizza, and it comes with the toppings and whatnot. So there we go, pizza party from Melissa and Doug.
Oh yeah, what's next? Keep them coming.
The no-sew craft kit. Ooh. You know, you get the pieces of material in here, and you tie them together.
That's awesome.
Yes, and you can make your own quilt. Sew-free, no-sew.
Good for winter.
Perfect for winter. Be a great Christmas gift because then they can make you a blanket.
Open their presents underneath their blanket.
Also, because 'tis the season for baking, we have the Melissa and Doug baking play set. Look at all the stuff that comes in there. Everything. And it's actually usable. Measuring cups. Everything.
Measurement on it.
Yeah, everything. You can actually use this. This is really cool. I'm getting one of these. So while supplies last, come down and pick that up. And new to our store, because we've never had anything like this in here, Mind the Love, the Luke and Lucy, the baby dolls. These things are adorable. I'm really happy that we have some dolls in here finally. And come down and grab them while supplies last. Also, Melissa and Doug. I mean, you can't go wrong with Melissa and Doug. Like, Melissa and Doug makes, I think, pretty much the best toys.
Very, very good quality.
Yes. So that's about it for this week. We got a lot more in the store. We just, we can't bring the entire store up to the front.
More for next week.
Yeah, it's just more for next week. But yeah, Melissa and Doug, we got huge. Also, the grocery store. We had four grocery stores in stock now. So anybody want to get those for Christmas? Now's the time, because once they're gone, they're gone.
Yes.
So, yay!
Awesome.
Hope you have a nice rest of the week. I hope you guys have a nice rest of the week, what's left of it, and we'll see you next week. Have a good one, guys.
See ya.